Guys, welcome back to Adventure 365. And look, Beryl's out! We're actually having a night out, testing her out, making sure everything works. You know, as usual, we're making a list of things we're going to have to modify, but man, she's really good. So comfy to sleep in, it's unreal. There's, I'm just, you can tell I'm just buzzing because, you know, she's out, she's done 20 months worth of work and she's out and about. So let's have a look around her. Well, after a really comfy night's sleep, we've put everything back in its place. There's no covers on the foam yet, but everything inside's slowly working, you know, working out where everything's going, finding its own home. And the more we use it, the more things will find the places. Here's a look at our camp for the night. Jim and Jane are setting up their spot. And another look at Beryl. Doesn't she look magnificent outside? Mark's setting his pitch up for the night, getting his tent ready. I think he's in the fridge actually getting a beer. And here's Jim's 270 awning. That is an awesome piece of kit. And another quick look at Beryl from the other side. And it's now time for beer. And time to get the food on the barbecue. And there's nothing like a bit of barbecue when you're out camping. It was really enjoyable. Jim and Jane were here last night, but they had to go off early this morning to get some work done. We'll have to come back later and have a look at Jim's trailer and that fairly spectacular awning he's got. I think I've got some footage of it up last night, so we'll have a bit of a look at it. Give us a quick look at the back of your truck, Mark. Because this is all new, isn't it? This is not very old, this setup, because it keeps getting changed.
Yeah. Well, it was just one basic shelf for a fridge and an oven. But there was no storage, everything was just chucked on top of each other. So I put a bulkhead in, moved all the electrics up to the top, and then put a hot water system in. Now I mentioned the hot water system again.
You mentioned the hot water system, come on. Now he's got the same hot water system that Neil's got in the back of his truck.
Yeah.
That's Neil from Forby.
So it's all, so the kit came from Forby and it's all heated through the coolant system on the front of the engine. It's got a heat exchanger, which is then fed back. The water's then fed back to the tank, which is just a basic 25 litre tank. There's nothing special about it.
And then it puts fires out, doesn't it?
Yes, if somebody set fire to the grass.
I'll show you that in a minute, guys. That,
we've discovered.
We set fire to the field last night we're in.
Yeah, we've discovered it works great for firefighting duties. That's not bad at all. It's just disappointing it's hot water I was putting in.
It was a hot fire.
Yeah, but But it does make a difference. Once you've shelved everything out, it does make a hell of a difference, storage-wise. Yeah, there's still...
It's an ongoing project, isn't it?
Yeah. You keep adding to it.
Like they all are.
Yeah. The more you go out, the more you do, the more you realise you need this, you need that. But it's just trying to keep it basic and everything accessible. Because there's nothing worse than pulling everything out just to get that one thing at the back, is there?
No. No, we've all been there and done that.
Yeah.
There you go, guys. A quick look at the back of Mark's truck. Now, you've got an Instagram page? You've got several.
I've got, yeah.
He's got several.
I've got, one for the garage, one for this, and then one for work as well.
So what's the Instagram page for this one?
D1 Commercial.
D1, yeah, so D1 Commercial if you want to follow him on Instagram. We're going to put this truck through its paces this year, aren't we?
Yeah, well, it's going to the Bushcraft show next fortnight's time, isn't it?
Yeah.
We're going green laning, then the Bushcraft show. And then Peterborough's coming up September time, so we'll be in Peterborough and then the Overland show.
Yeah, so yeah, if any of you are going to the Bushcraft show, we're there. I won't be in Beryl, I'll be in Heimdall, and the Colonel will be here.
Yeah, Colonel will be there.
So yeah, if you're at the Bushcraft show, come and see us. And there's the fire that we started last night. But I think part of it was Jim's barbecue as well.
Yeah.
It wasn't that big 5 kilo bag of charcoal you put on.
It might have been all the charcoal I chucked on the fire.
I would think so.
And you get to see Karen dropping crumbs all over the place because you can't take her anywhere. Well, the sun's absolutely scorching, it's red hot, and we've had a fantastic night out in Beryl, and it's been amazing. We've had good company, we've had good food, we may have had a beer already, but I'm going to call this it for this video, guys. I will see you on the next one.